And here you go. This is what I was talking about. If you were in this one, what'll happen eventually is it'll go pop. And that is so then so when Jimmy first started doing it, it was like 60, 60, 60, 60, 60, 60, 200, 60, 60, 60, 60, 60,
Mm.
200, right? Until it makes a new leg. And then if it breaks down here, you get out, you wait for it to establish the next run of wherever it's going to start to go, the channel. Then we start trading the channel again. Because look at this one. Here comes your pushback to new channel low. So right here, right? If this was regular market hour, you go, hey, here we go again. Buy, stop here. Buy, stop here. You see what I mean? Here we go. Watch. I'm going to buy in. There's my little sample. I'm going in smaller because if it does pull back, I can get out right away. I better actually have it set up so I don't look like a fool over here. Bought at the bottom of the channel, ride to the top. Buy at the bottom of the channel, ride to the top. Buy at the bottom of the channel, ride to the top. If it breaks through the channel, get out. Wait, wait, wait patiently, but you got to do this over and over and over. Here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then it's kind of sketch, but 6 times you got to do it, right?